Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So in your iPhone, if you want to change the Celsius degrees into Fahrenheit in your weather widget app, you can actually easily do that. So let's check here. We have 17 degrees into Quebec, and this is basically showing me in degrees. So if you want to change these degrees into Celsius into Fahrenheit, you can actually do it in the system. So get into the system. In the system we have apps. In the apps, at the end of the apps, you can see the weather. So here we have Celsius and Fahrenheit, and you can use system settings. So I'm gonna keep on system settings, but you can choose Fahrenheit or Celsius. So I'm gonna keep this use system settings, and that's how you change your Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius in your weather widget app. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel so we can make more videos.